Good afternoon, this is Dana again with Vinyl Designs Cut and Create, and I'm here today with a third video on the Cricut Maker and cutting your fabric. And I am cutting stars, actually, for my friend who's making a quilt, and we chose a light cotton fabric. This is our test cut that we did. It frayed a little bit when we pulled it up off of the mat. There was no stabilizer, but it cut really, really well. So I'm going to show you that here real quick. I have the fabric blade put in. It's super easy to do. Just snap it in there. She sent it to the cut mat already, so we're going to go ahead and cut it. And one thing I didn't expect was that with each cut, it picks up the rotary blade and drops it back down for the next cut. So I was anticipating that when we pulled the fabric off, there would be little hang tags with the fabric, but it has a nice overcut, so when you pull the fabric up, the star is, or the piece that you're cutting is absolutely cut all the way through. So I'll show you this real quick. And when it's all done, unload it. And again, this is just a real light, very thin cotton fabric, and it pulled up real nice off of the mat. You'll grab a star here. There you go. So, for cutting fabric, this is actually an amazing machine to use. All right, guys, thanks.